Welcome into Postman tutorial. Today in this tutorial we will explore the pre-request script feature in Postman. This powerful tool allow you run JavaScript code before the request is sent, perfect for setting variables, generating tokens or dynamic values. So let's begin. Create a new request, click on new and then click on HTTP, enter URL here. First enter URL here, copy this complete URL, enter URL here and click on send. Now, in a rare scenario, we need to send a unique request ID. So I will show you how you can generate a unique ID and set into environment. Click on script and then click on pre-request. Pre-request runs before the request is sent. It will run before this execution of this request. A pre-request script is JavaScript code that runs before the main request in Postman. It is used to set variable, generate data like unique ID, or call another API before sending the main request. Now, write script here, generate a new unique ID, using Postman built-in crypto module. Now, first generate a unique ID, const UUID is equal to crypto dot random unique ID. This is built-in function available in Postman crypto. Now, save the generated unique ID to an environment variable request ID tm dot environment dot set request ID double comma here, same as well we need to enter double comma here, comma UUID. This is variable name. First we need to generate a new unique ID by using built-in crypto function and save into environment. It will save this request ID into environment. Now create a environment, click on environment, click on create environment and then enter environment name here, generate unique request ID. Next thing we need to do here, we just need to click on send. Before sending request, we need to create a variable. As you can view here, first click on send and then click on generate environment variable. As you can view here, request ID variable and unique ID has been generated successfully. Now again click on send. As you can view, this unique ID change each time. In real scenario, sometimes we need to send unique request ID because we will get an error. Unique ID is required. By using pre-request, we will execute this script. After execution, this request will be sent. Post response runs after a response is received, but pre-request runs before the request is sent. Now, add this variable, which is request ID, into header section. Click on headers and then enter here X request ID. Enter variable name here request ID. As you can view here, we are getting request ID. Now click on send 200 response code, and here we can verify unique ID has been generated successfully. In a console, we can view this request ID. Click on clear and again send this request. Click on this URL. We are getting 200 response code, 308 millisecond. This is the time of the execution. In X request ID, you can view unique ID. The difference between pre-request and post response, as you can view here in script, pre-request and post response. Pre-request runs before the request is sent, used to set variables or prepare data. Post response runs after the response is received, used to validate response assertions. That's our for today tutorial on pre-request script in Postman to automate and enhance your API request. It is a great way to prepare your data before the request runs. If you learn something new, please like the video, share it, and subscribe to SK World for more testing tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.